Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Happy Learning Tutorials. Hope you all are doing good. So, in today's Leadership Success and Life Transformation series, we are going to learn about the 5 L rules of leadership, success, and life hacks. So, what are these 5 L's? Let's quickly learn. The leader is always thinking limitless. Okay, be limitless in your approaches and your strategies in overcoming those challenges or getting new opportunities. Number 2, be level-headed. Number 3, be legendary, remarkable, incredibly good. Number 4, being logical, and number 5, being liberated. Okay, now let's understand each of these 5 qualities of a leader to stand out and get that transformation in your life and success in your life as a leader and achieve your goals. So, limitless. So, the first says the number of ways you can live in one's lifetime is limitless. So, why we should limit ourselves? The sky is not the limit beyond the universes. So, there are heroes and then there are legends. Heroes get remembered, but legends never die. So, living a limitless life means stretching the boundaries of what's possible, right? So, living a limitless life means stretching the boundaries of what's possible. So, what is possible in your hands? Do that. It means extending yourself and pushing beyond your comfort zone in an attempt to explore new frontiers, new opportunities, new possibilities that can potentially help you grow and develop yourself in an exciting direction. Right? So we live in a world where there are necessary constraints. Some are physical, some are cultural, some are socio-economic, but there are always personal as well. So the mindset needs to be changed, and we need to adapt to that mindset. These mindsets limit our human potential to achieve great things. So you should go beyond your mind's limitations. That is what is the unique quality as a leader to be limitless. Number 2, level-headed. Let's discuss what is this. So you have to take, as being on the top, uh, leading your teams or your organization at the topmost position, you need to take a lot of decisions. So be level-headed in taking those strategical decisions. Be calm and sensible and balanced and reasonable and composed enough to take the advices when needed, to take the suggestions when needed, to take the feedback when needed, to take those difficult decisions. Okay, take them calmly. Number 3, legendary. Office legendary, like I said earlier, I quoted a beautiful quotation. Like, there are heroes and there are legends. So heroes get remembered, but legends never die, right? So legendary means a characteristic of a legend or describing someone who is very famous and admired just because of an ability or a skill in leading a particular sphere or particular domain or particular area or particular technology, right? Be that remarkable or become that subject matter expert in your area. Number 4, logical. So being presenting the logic everywhere goes beyond expectations, right? You have to be very calculative and logical enough to analyze a situation or a problem using reasons and coming up with a potential solution. So logical thinkers, as a leader, gather all the information they can, access the facts, and then methodologically decide the best way to move forward after all those facts, analytics, deductive, a logical statement, right? So be logical. Number 5, last but not the least, liberated, I would say. So be open-minded. Liberated means you, as a leader, you have to think beyond what is possible, right? Be open-minded and being generous when people need your support, when they need the resources, go out and help them out, right? So as a leader, it's your responsibility to help them in the time of need, okay? So being open-minded and generous over here, I would say, giving your light to the people. Once the team or the organization feels demotivated, you have to be that light to make them feel motivated again, right? So that kind of quality is being expected as a leader. So these are all my 5 L rules for leadership, success, and life transformation. Do like, share, follow, repost for more insights on leadership, and you can drop a message and connect with me for more such leadership training, coaching, mentoring sessions ahead. I hope you all have a nice day. See you later. Bye bye.